Guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here at MMO. It is Mad Meerkat Optimizer, and we're looking at what we have staked. So, first thing we have MMF Crow staked for 2,916.14% APY and 341 APR. So, it's advantageous to leave this staked for a while so we improve our rate of interest. Now, here's an interesting fact that I just experimented with, and I thought I'd let you guys know, to let you guys be aware. So, if you try to claim right now in the liquidity pool, what you're going to see here is an interesting phenomena. We hit the claim button, we wait, and then we have a seizure. Alright, now look, it costs 11 crow to claim your rewards. Now that is a bit high. That's about $5, $5.50 right now on the exchange rate. Each crow is worth about 50 cents. So that is massive. I am not even coming close to breaking even for that. Right now I've got $2.46 in MMF and $1.18 in MMO. So if I claim now, I lose money. So that kind of defeats the purpose of compounding here. So I'm just going to let this ride for a little longer and see how it goes. Man, that's fees are insane. Now let's go back to the main page. Now that was for the liquidity pool. Now this is for the single MMO mine or pool or whatever you guys want to call it. Here we go. You can see we have staked about 25 bucks worth. We have profit or interest in the amount of 63 cents. Now, normally it would cost about a crow to claim this. So I'm going to hit claim, and the crow's about 50 cents. So it's going to cost $1, almost $2. That's crazy. Just to claim that crow of 63 cents. So obviously not worth it. That APY needs to kick in, and I need to get a lot more to make it worthwhile. Now if I click this compound button, it does something a little different. Alright, now it still wants 3.25 crow, but I'm assuming that would basically restake into the same thing. It's like claiming and restaking in VVS or in the DeFi app here at crypto.com. But right now, this is a little bit too rich for my blood. So I just wanted to let you guys be aware when you do go to claim from here at MMO, Mad Meerkat Optimizer, the fees are excessive. So hopefully with time they might come down. We'll see how that works out. And crow, when crow hits $5, I mean, if you were paying 11, that's a lot of crow to mine out, to pay to get your stuff. I mean, it's crazy. So anyway, we'll see how that works out in the future. So let's go back to the main wallet and let's look at the crow. So over the last day, we've gone up 6%. We're almost back at 50 cents. That's good. I want to see this thing go past 50 cents to 97 cents, just like that article said. I'm ready for that to happen. But in order for that to happen, Bitcoin's got to go up too. Now, Bitcoin's only up 4%, and it's topped out about 46.5. Okay, fine. I know 48's the ceiling. We need to bust through that to get to 50. And we need to build some momentum. It's probably not going to happen until some of the whales come back in. And it's probably going to happen next week. Midweek would be my guess. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Hopefully, we'll start building some momentum up until that point, and we'll go on from there. Now, here is a little bit of neglect. I've neglected to go back here and claim and restake, so I'm just going to claim, restake. I need to do some maintenance on my account. Hopefully you guys get something out of this, because it seems like sometimes it works, and sometimes it works slower, but it always works, so that's good. But you see, it still takes some time to get that crow back out. It takes maybe 30 seconds or less, typically, to get those assets recompounding for you. You can see I've already claimed and restaked, and we're off to the races. Now, the interest rate has been holding kind of steady around 12%. It did drop a little. Okay, fine. Not like I can go down to Wells Fargo or Bank of America and get 12% interest on my money. So I'm just going to leave it there. Alright, tell me what you guys think. I think I'm very bullish on the Crow, DeFi, Bitcoin, especially MMO. Well, I like to see how that thing is going to work. So be sure to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.